Well, folks, I'm in U.S. Farmers Family Food Box Program. Well, got some potatoes some months ago, and I left them in the box. See, you can almost see what it probably looks like in there. So let's just see what we got. These are the ones. These are my seed potatoes. They cost me $0. There we go. I'm gonna let you get a good look at them. Those are seed potatoes. Nothing but seed potatoes. And all winter, they were firm, but now they're getting mushy. These will go in the ground very soon and produce me food for this year. Potatoes. Even that small one there. See that small one there? It's all tangled up. Yeah. I did lose a couple. There's one that didn't make it all the way through. But again, well, I got a little eye on there. That might still grow. I'm going to keep it. And this one here didn't make it at all. And see these right here? These are all seed potatoes. Beautiful. I don't know what kind they are, but I do know that they're white potatoes. See that? And I will put these in the ground, and they will produce some of the prettiest sweet potatoes you ever want to lay your eyes on. Look at this right here, a little tiny one. That goes too. That's a keeper as well. Oh, got one here. What is this? This got eyes on it too, and it's almost gone. It's soft, shrunk it in, and guess what I'm gonna do with it? Put it right in the ground with the rest of them. See that eye? This will look like it got a weird haircut. I did good. Saved them all the way through the winter, and they didn't. They're still good. Very good potatoes. White potatoes, just the biggest one. See that? It's tangled up on the others. Beautiful. So, white potatoes, and I'm in zone 7B, and very soon these will go in the ground. I'll put them in very rich, fertile soil and see what they do. This is the Morning Gardener.